How to disable NLA remotely and locally. Easy ways. You can turn it off using the registry editor or PowerShell. It would be best if you disabled it when your Windows won't let you establish a connection to a remote device due to NLA. Here, we will discuss some popular ways to disable it safely on remote or local computers. NLA, Network Level Authentication, is an authentication tool that prompts to input credentials before accessing a remote computer. It provides you with extra security while establishing a remote connection. However, if you want to disable NLA, you are at the right place. Here in this guide, we will discuss some of the easiest ways to disable it in no time. How to disable NLA on a remote computer. Before moving to the actual steps to disable network level authentication, make sure you go through these checks. Administrative access to the machine for which you are attempting to disable NLA. Connection to the computer remotely or physical access to the machine, depending on whether you are trying to disable NLA remotely or locally. A remote desktop client is installed on your local machine and the IP address or host name of the device you are trying to connect to. Need to have access to the system's desktop environment. Should know primary Windows navigation and locate and access the relevant settings and options in the Windows operating system. 1. Using the registry editor. Before making changes to registry editor, take a backup of registry files. To do so, go to File, then click Export. Save the .reg file at the desired location. If anything goes wrong, on registry editor, click File, and then Import. Choose this .reg file to restore the registry entries. Press Windows +R to open the Run window. Go to the DWORD security layer, double-click on it, and change the value data to 0. 2. Use the Windows PowerShell. Copy and paste the following command and replace the target machine name with your device's name, and press Enter. $target server equals server underscore with underscore NLA underscore enabled get WMI object class Win32 underscore TS general setting namespace root CIMV2 terminal services computer name $target server filter terminal name equals RDP/TCP set user authentication required 0. Once the process is complete, restart the computer. How do I turn off NLA on the local computer? 1. Use the Group Policy Editor. Press Windows +R to open the Run box. Type gpedit.msc and press Enter to open the Group Policy Management console. Follow this path: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Remote Desktop Services, Remote Desktop Session Host Security. 2. Use the PowerShell. Press the Windows key, type PowerShell, and click Run as administrator. Copy and paste the following command and replace the target machine name with your device's name, and press Enter. $target machine equals. 3. Use the system properties. So, these are methods that you can follow to disable NLA remotely and locally. Newsletter.